Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about OP word family. O says A, P says P. We say op, K, op, cop. The cop helps us. H, up, hop. The bunny can hop. T, up, top. The top can spin. Up, mop. Use a mop to clean. P, up, pop. The balloon will pop. Sh, up, shop. We go to the shop. St, up, stop. Stop at the sign. Dr, up, drop. Do not drop it. Ch, up, chop. Chop the veggies. Cr, up, crop. The crop is good. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye-bye.